Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the channel today. Now, if you were still interested in seeing my 30-part series on the Classic 500, all you wanted to know about the big single, well, I've opened up another channel for that one. It's going to be called Random Rides, so that would be the one you swing to now, and I'll leave a link in the description, and that'd be the one you'd go to and subscribe to that channel, as I'm only going to put the Classic 500 stuff on that particular channel, so that's the way to go if you want to get into it and see what you can find out about that bike. And I'm still going to go ahead and put the 30-part series, so I just thought I'd let you know in advance that's the area to go to.